Alright, so the first example, here's a picture of my dog in the snow, and we're going to tell it to make it a Pixar 3D animated version. So yeah, you just describe what you want, and you set the configuration, number of steps, the width, the guidance scale, height, and the seed. Once you're ready, hit generate. Yeah, and as you can see, it's created the Pixar version. I think that's pretty good. I mean, I think it's pretty accurate, and yeah, it's really that easy. Here's another example of, this time we're going to be looking at changing the clothes and items in a scene. Previously we looked at changing the whole scene, but we can just edit the image. So like if, for example, you don't know how to use Photoshop, you could actually just use this instead. You could just say, hey, this is what I want, can you make these changes? And as you can see, the hoodie's turned green, and there's a painting on the background. Here's another example. Change your hairstyle, which is pretty cool if you want to try out a new hairstyle without actually committing to it. You want to see how it looks. It's great for that too. Yeah, as you can see, it's changed the hair. Nothing else in the image has changed. Pretty cool. And another example is restoring old photos. Again, this is another AI generated image, but if you have an old album of photos from your grandparents or your parents or whatever it might be, you can bring them to life with this. It's pretty accurate. You just tell it what you want to do to it, how to restore it, add some color, remove the blemishes, remove the artifacts and things like that. You hit generate, and yeah, there you go. It's very faithful to the original image. It just added some color and some sharpness.